Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about cryptocom, Crocoin, take a look at Bitcoin, because we are in a very, very tight spot. So without further ado, let's hop into this video. So guys, right now, Bitcoin is trading at $37,638, down about 0.2% on the day. Bitcoin dominance level coming up ever so slightly at 52%. When you exclude stablecoins, we're trading at 54%. Guys, what we're doing right now is we are chopping around. We are consolidating and chopping around. But I will be honest with you guys. When we look over at the daily chart on Bitcoin, you can see this rising wedge starting to form a little bit here. And I will be honest with you guys, rising wedges are bearish formations. That being said, it doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to break out to the downside. But what I do need to see is this move, this breakout to low 40,000s by mid-December. Otherwise, I do expect a breakdown. I do expect a breakdown at some point if we don't see this move to the upside come mid-December. Mid-December is kind of the cutoff point in my mind to stay above, or I should say around $38,000. But we are in such a tight trading channel right now. It's very, very interesting. It's trying so hard to break above and stay above 38,000, but it just can't. We're getting these wicks constantly happening, breaking above 38K, but we just can't stay above it. And that's okay. It's getting pressed down, but guys, what's happening is we're consolidating. We're range bound and consolidating. There's nothing wrong with that. So what does that mean for Crocoin right now? Crocoin right now is doing just as you'd expect. It's kind of spilling over a little bit as Bitcoin gains some more dominance, but it is still at a very, very important price level here. Let's see if I can give you a little line to show you a better area of where we need to stay above. This yellow line right here is a more appropriate channel, I guess you could say. But I don't think that we're going to come down to 9 cents, or I should say 0.0830. Right now we're at about 9 cents. I don't think we're going to really come down to that unless we get that spillover that I was talking about on Bitcoin as this rising wedge continues to make its move to the upside. If we get that break below it because the volume dries up and we come down, then I do think that there's a chance that we come down to this 0.0830. And then if we break below that, we'll be looking at the 0.0689, a very, very friendly price level that we were sitting at for quite some time. I mean, look back here, guys. This is so crazy. We were sitting at that for months and months and months and months. But let's not focus only on the bearish, because I believe that Bitcoin most likely will break out to the upside to the low 40,000s. And what does that mean for Crocoin? Well, in the short term, I think Bitcoin dominance, it absorbs some liquidity. It goes up to maybe 55% or so, including stablecoins, I'm saying. And then, after it trades sideways a little bit around the 40,000, which I do want to remind you is a very, very green light for a bullish continuation. So if we do hit 40,000 mid-December, there's a very high likelihood that we continue, that we move up to, say, 48,000. Maybe after a little bit of consolidation, but it will confirm that we are in a bull trend. And I will basically, in my mind, say, okay, the bull market has truly begun. We're probably going to see some altcoin seasons. We're probably going to see some mania start to come back to the market. That's what I'm going to say if I see that move up to 40K. And if that move does happen, then I do expect Crocoin to start to curl back up and break back above this 0.0992 cent level and probably break the local high of about 12 cents, which will be fantastic to see. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. But that's what I'm leaning into. I really am leaning into the idea here that Bitcoin does make a break for it before mid-December or during mid-December. But guys, I want to reiterate that if it doesn't break out to the upside by mid-December, we're probably going to have a little bit of time of consolidation. I know it's been fun seeing some of these altcoins rip and Bitcoin rip and the volatility coming back. Some NFTs are going crazy right now. It's been a lot of fun getting back into the art, seeing what's going on in the Solana ecosystem, Cronos ecosystem, and just buying art again. Buying art is fun. But the volatility, if we do not break up to 41,000, low 40,000s, and the volatility goes away and we need to come down and trade sideways for a little bit of time, be patient. That's all I can say. Time is on our side. Bitcoin halving coming up. After the halving, we'll probably be off to the races if it doesn't happen before the halving. 40,000 is important by mid-December. It's important. I'm going to keep a very close eye on that. Guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video. Subscribe to the channel right now. Also, go follow me on Twitter at 333Blacksea. I'm very, very active over there. Also, feel free to check me out on my other social media. I have Instagram at 333Blacksea. Check out the referral link down below for BitGet and Femex. $4,100 sign-up bonus. $8,000 sign-up bonus with BitGet. Lots of awesome things down there. Lots of free money. Feel free to check that out. That's all I got for you guys. Like, subscribe, hit that bell. I don't know if people even say that anymore. But that's all I got for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.